Somebody's buying bolo. Somebody's buying bolo. I need your love today. I need you right away. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares. Somebody feels like no one cares.
Alright you guys, so welcome to this segment of the video. This has proudly been sponsored by Aoolia. The OGs on the channel know that a couple of weeks ago or less than a month ago they reached out for their first collaboration, and this is a repeat collaboration. They have sent me these two boxes to unbox in the video today. So Aoolia is a high specialist company, so they deal with frames. So you basically send your prescriptions to them and then they fit them into their amazing collections of frames on their website. I guarantee you will be lost for choice to just go on there and select the frame that you want. But you guys, let's unbox the amazing glasses or eyewears that I chose. Today I wasn't selfish, so I chose two glasses and one glass case. I'm excited about this glass case, but let's unbox the glasses first. So I chose two sunglasses. So this is the first one. I love the frame on this one. If you missed the first unboxing, I will link it up in the cards up here somewhere so you can get to go and watch it. You guys, look at that. Look at the frame of this. Look at the detail. Look at the detailing on there. Let's try this on first. And Liam, again, I like the fact that the underneath is clear. So it's dark up here towards the sun, and then down here where you are walking, you get to see where you're going as well. That is the reason why I choose glasses like this. Look at the frame, you guys. Look at the frame. Look at the detailing on the frame. The detailing on these glasses is really nice. I love the amber effect. No, I just love this one. This one is very good. So let's unbox the second one. So as usual, each glasses come with a pair of glass cleaner, and this is really good fabric, so you know that your glasses are going to remain very clean. I think I can actually get away with using this one. I think it can be unisex as well, but it's kind of masculine, but I like it anyway. Just look at that. Look at that. But you guys, this is it. This is it. This is it. I really, really, really love the frame on this one. I love this kind of vintage style that it has going on. And it also has some hint of is it army green, or what's that shade of green? Yeah, with the dark glasses. It's really nice. It looks very mature as well. So you guys, for the last and final product that I selected on their site today, so I'll say that this is a sunshade holder, and all you have today is to hang this up on the wall, and this basically unravels and you can fit in up to 5 glasses on here. Look at that. Up to 5. And it goes, I'm using this door handle as the hanger for now. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 glasses can go into there. So that's the one I just got today. If you remember the first unboxing, this was one of the glasses I chose as well. This is my blue blocker from the first unboxing. And last but not the least, one of my personal favorites from my first unboxing. This one has to be my favorite, hands down. This one has to be. It looks so well on me. So this one is the last one. 5. So here we go, all 5 of them. And you know, it has a very good lining on the inside. And look at the dimension. I love this geo pattern. So yeah, that's how it looks. 5 separate glasses, all rolled into one. This is great for traveling. Like if you are going to be traveling this summer, has a very great design. I absolutely love this. So you guys go on their website. You can also benefit from discount using my discount code as shown on your screen. Details to their website will be in my description box as well as the comment section. And you guys go on their website and you can thank me later. This is summer. Get yourself some amazing pair of glasses, and also to be able to pick up, you know, the cases as well. And yes, you guys, let's get on with the rest of today's video. Alright you guys, so on this particular day the boys woke me up, and for a change they had bacon and bread, and I'm just clearing up or trying to clear up after they've had their breakfast. And you guys, this is the state of my house right now. Everywhere is just upside down. I managed to get the boys to pick up some toys, but they ended up stashing them somewhere else, and I only found out this morning. So this is what the old house is looking like. There's laundry in the kitchen to do. The floors are a mess, and the boys have built themselves a tent here. All their teddies, all the pillow cushions, and some Legos are in this corner. It's like their little getaway place. I don't know. There's toys everywhere, miniature toys, Legos, it's just everywhere. So I just went to the study / my office area to just cool off and just think about how I want to go about this whole cleaning. And here I just stumbled on this bag of cutlery that I've been meaning to donate for a while now. Hi lovelies, and welcome back to the channel. Strength and power. Oh Lord, I receive your strength, because right now I feel really sleepy. Even though I was off yesterday, I didn't do anything productive. I'm over here. Okay, the boys are still on holiday and they get back in on Monday. And throughout this whole 1 week break, I've been telling myself that I'm going to take these boys out. I'm going to take them out. And today is Thursday. I have laundry to do. I have the whole house to clean. So this might end up being a cleaning vlog, because there's just a lot to do. And it needs to be done before school begins on Monday. So yes, you guys, this is going to be a cleaning vlog. So, like this video already, as you are coming in already, be like in the name of Jesus. Where do I even start from? First, I had to show you the extent of the damage, like what I have to do. There's food particles under the breakfast area. There's dishes to do. There's laundry everywhere. Look under this table. There's rice, there's cereal, there's plastic, there's biscuit wrapper, there's leftover, and that's someone forgot to put their plates in the sink. This is my dry ginger that I just processed. There's food to store away in the fridge. That's pounded yam there that I haven't packed away from last night. The rug is filthy. There's lots of dirt everywhere. The sitting room itself, there are toys under the chairs. We'll get to all of that in a minute, but first let's tackle this kitchen one place at a time. So I loaded the first load of laundry rather, and I'm going in with my Dyson. You guys, when you see this Dyson, know that I'm in serious business. So I'm going in with the Dyson, and I'm just going to hoover this rug. I'm going to hoover its life. I try to get as much dirt as possible. I think I went over this rug about 3 times, and when I was completely satisfied, I rolled it away so that I can get the dirt from under the rug itself. So after going over this about 2 times as well, it was still very dirty. So I knew that I had to mop. Like it's not just vacuuming this time. So I went to get the mop and the dry mop as well. And I'm just going in with some hot water in a bowl, some dish liquid, because I don't think I have the strength for powder, because it would just be too much lather. I'm also putting a few squeezes of lemon and also some jig, and I'm also going to be throwing in the lemon in the bag as well. So I learned this from South Africa. I see lots of people doing it, and I've been doing it for years now. And the lemon just helps to break down, build up, and the warm water also helps to get stains and dirt off the floors a lot quicker, especially if you have children with juice stains and just grease on the floor and things like that. So it helps to get rid of all of that. So I went over the floors about 2 times, and then I dry mopped, and then I just left the kitchen area to dry off, and then I went to tackle the living area. Obviously, I couldn't move as fast as I wanted to because number one, I was recording and the boys were in my way. So I'm just going to go ahead and fluff the pillows and put them away and get ready to hoover some more, and then I'm going to tackle the chairs themselves. I try to do the chairs, in the chairs and under the chairs, just to give the house a deep clean, and so that I just eliminate all the surprises that I might encounter when I have to do spring cleaning. So this is like an in-depth cleaning that I do from time to time. And this boy just reminded me of my childhood, because I remember that every Saturday when my mom does these deep cleanings, my sisters and I would crawl under the chairs anytime she pulls them up to clean under the chairs. And this boys just automatically started doing this, and it just brings back fun memories. So you guys, this is the chair. There's mostly biscuit crumbs in that long chair because that's where they like to hang out. And again, like I said, toys under the chair, they were just everywhere. And then I'm just going in to over in between the chairs to just get all of the extra crumbs and grains and things like that. And then I'm going to clean the chairs itself and just try to get all those crumbs and dirt out from on the chairs. And yeah, you guys, if you're new here, you are more than welcome. Please do want to click the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications. I like to create more content like this from time to time and be as real and relatable with my content. So if this is something you enjoy, you guys, please do want to stick around and subscribe for more content like this. You guys, is this something you do, or am I just being extra? Like, I like to just deep clean so that I know that the next time I'll be going over the house, I will just be doing something minimal and I don't have to start from scratch. But you guys, that's just me. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section. So once everything is clean, I just go back and arrange the cushion, tuck in our blankets, because it's still, although it's summer, it still gets a bit cold sometimes. So I haven't put away these blankets. So I just tuck that into the arm of the chair, and then I go over with this nozzle extension on my Presenic, and I try to get all the dirt from all the corners and cobwebs and things like that. If you missed my unboxing of this Presenic cordless smart vacuum cleaner, it is up on my channel and you guys can click on it and watch after this video. So it's such an amazing tool to have. I'm also going to be dusting after all that, and if you guys missed my last video, I unboxed my Shein unboxing, and that's where I got this duster from. I got it from Shein, so it's quite extendable and you can reach hard to get places, and it's just a great tool to have, and it's easy to clean as well. Alright, so after all the dusting, I'm going to just polish the surfaces, and using this spray, I'm going to be cleaning off all the grime, because sometimes my children just manage to get food all over the TV stand, it's just everywhere. Unimaginable dirt is what I can just explain right now. So after all that is clean, I'm just going to go ahead and fix the whole house back. I also try not to forget that mirror, because it is where I check myself out before I step out of the house. And once all of that is done, I'm just going back to just fix everywhere and get everywhere back to order. This is the kitchen, obviously. I'm just returning stools back to the ground after the floors are dried. And yes, you guys, that is it for this video today. If you have enjoyed watching, please do want to give me a huge thumbs up. It does a lot to help my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye, guys.